Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming. And today we are going to make a program in Python to reverse all the elements of a list. Okay, and those all the elements are a string. So first, I have take input input is equal to I love pyth and Python. Okay, this is your input. So output should be like I, and the reverse of I will be I. The reverse of love will be EVOL, and the reverse of Python will be NOHTYP. Okay, this should be your output if you take the input like this. Okay, so first I will take the input of list one equal to input dot split by space. Okay, this is your input, and now I will take a for loop to apply operation on each element of the list. So for I in list 1. Okay, so now the value of I, first the value of I will be I. So we have to reverse this I. How to reverse? We take a for loop for j in I, j in sorry, for j in range length of I minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. So we have to write a for loop ranging from length minus 1 to 0, because if you subtract minus 1 then it will be 0. So the minimum value of j will be 0 and the maximum value of j will be length minus 1. So we are covering each index of a element. Okay, so now we will take another variable string 1 will be equal to empty string, and here I will write string 1 equal to string 1 plus I and index j. Okay, so what is the element at j index? You take the I value love. Okay, so length minus 1, what is the length of love? 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So what is the element at 3 index? That is e. 0 1 2 3 element is e. So e will be added in this string. Okay, after that v, after that o, after that l. So this will be reversed like that. Okay, and here we will take another empty string list 2 equal to empty string. Okay, and we will append this string 1 in this list 2. So list 2 dot append this string 1. Okay, and outside this for loop we will write print list 2. This is not your answer. Okay, we are going to write our output in the string form, not in the list. Okay, let's run the code. Like I take the input I love coding. Okay, so I love is reverse EVOL, and coding is reverse GNIDOC. Okay, and the reverse of I will be I. So now we are going to take a empty string str2 equal to double quotes, and now I am going to take a for loop for I in list 2. Okay, in this for loop I will write the operation str2 equal to str2 plus I plus space, because all the elements are separated by a space. That's why I'm taking a space here. Okay, so outside this for loop I will print str2. This is your answer. Let's run the code. I love coding. So I reverse, and the reverse of coding is this. Okay, let's take another input. Python is fun. I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.